Something you'll hear a lot at Centra is our Experience Series. So what this brick mold is our Experience Series window is something that we created because of our experience doing siding and windows together. We found a system that actually works so that when we install the window, if you know you're replacing your siding at the same time or maybe a little bit after, it's going to make the labor a lot easier on you. And how that works is you can actually open up the side of this brick mold and it works like a return or like a jumbo J for siding. So you can now slide the siding right into the side of your window, and again, that's going to save on maintenance. You don't have to paint anything. You've got no exposed caulking or flashings, and it'll make your siding guys really happy. If you want a different color brick mold on the outside, we can paint it any color you'd like, whether it matches or if it's separate from the window frame, that's no problem.